Good morning, kindergarten. This is your math lesson for Thursday, May 7th, 2020, lesson 10.3. The supplies you will need for today's class are your 10.3 lesson papers and a pencil. I'll let you get those supplies together and then we will begin. All right, friends, let's put our name at the top. Name on your paper, first thing. Name on your paper, first thing. Stella thinks this is funny. Where does it go? At the top. Where does it go? At the top. Name on your paper, first thing. All right, because this is math class, let's write the date. The month is May. That is the 5th month of the year. It is the 7th day, and the year is 2020. 5-7-20. Chapter 10 is all about 3D forms, shapes that have 3 dimensions, height, length, and depth. Let's read our worksheet together. Identify, name, and describe cubes. Essential question. How can you identify, name, and describe cubes? Which 3D form, friends, is a cube? Did you point to this one here? If you did, you're right. Describe a cube to me. I'm listening. Good. Let's review some of our other shapes. This shape is a what? Cylinder. Good. Describe a cylinder to me. I'm listening. All right, let's move on. Let's go to this shape. I'm sorry, form. I should call it a form. It's a 3D form. What's the name of this 3D form? Did you say sphere? Yes. The correct term for this 3D form is sphere. Describe a sphere to me. I'm listening. All right. And let's move on to this red 3D form. What is this called? Did you say cone? If you did, you're right. Describe a cone to me. All right, friends. Now we'll go to the last 3D form I showed you yesterday. Does anyone remember the name of this 3D form? If you said rectangular prism, you're right. It's a rectangle in 3D form, which we'd call it a rectangular prism. Say it with me again. Rectangular prism. Good job. Let's sort these 3D forms into cube and not a cube. What is this one? Good, a cylinder. And this, give me the name. Rectangular prism, not a cube. The name of this form? Good, sphere, not a cube. This 3D form? Cube, excellent. And our last one? Cone, not a cube. Good job sorting those with me. Gonna line them back up, and then we can turn our paper over to page 422. Number 1, the red apple. Look at the cube. Circle the words that describe a cube. Flat surface, curved surface. Which one describes a cube? Yes, if you said flat surface, you're right. Let's circle that. Going on to number 2. Use a cube to count how many flat surfaces. Write the number. Blank flat surfaces. I'm going to put the camera down here on the table so I can hold a cube in my hands as we count the sides. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to count around the cube, then we'll count the top and the bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top, and 6 on the bottom. So we would say a cube has 6 flat surfaces. If you have a block in your home that is in the shape of a 3D form, a cube, later on today, see if you can count the surfaces on a cube. See if you get 6 also. Let's move on to page 423, the green leaf. The directions say, identify the objects that are shaped like a cube. Mark an X on these objects. So teacher is going to read them with you, and then we will start crossing out the cubes. Please read them with me. Sphere, cube, cylinder. Cylinder, cone, cube. Cube, and a sphere? What's this? I see another shape that we haven't talked about before, but I have it in my bucket. My shape is like this. It's a different color, but it's the same shape as this tent. Do you know the name of this shape? I should say, what's the name of this form? Excuse me. What is this called? Looks like it has a square on the bottom. Has triangles here. What is it? Can you say a pyramid? Yes. A pyramid has 4 triangular surfaces and 1 square surface at the bottom. Can you say pyramid? Good. I'm going to go ahead and add that to our awesome lineup of 3D forms. All right. So let's read that last row again. Ready? Say cube, pyramid, sphere. Good. Let's put an X on all the cubes. How many did we have? Yes, we had 1, 2, 3 cubes. Good job. Let's flip it over. Number 1, the red apple. I have 6 flat surfaces. Which shape am I? Draw an X on that shape. Yes, I'm a cube. I have 6 flat surfaces. Good job. All right, let's cross off number 2. We're not going to do that. You are done for the day, but let's just review our 3D forms one more time. Repeat them after me, kindergarten. Cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, rectangular prism, pyramid. Good job. I love you. Have a great day.